Yeah. Yeah.
This thing comes in TV box so it don't get damaged during transportation. And now I am cutting the stripes to get this thing out. This bike comes 90% assembled from the brand itself. Only thing we have to do is to just install the handlebar and pedals and cut open this plastic part and just install the lights and reflectors. That's it, and our bike assembly is done. One thing I liked about Crediac bike is their packaging. Packaging is so good. You don't even get a scratch on your bike because of the packaging. I also own an MTB from Crediac brand, and that bike also came in the great condition. Now you have to be careful when you cutting this wrapping part so you don't get a scratch on your bike. So you have to be very careful when you are cutting this open. Lot of zip ties to secure the moving parts of the bike. These are the freebies that comes with the bicycle: front and rear reflector and reflector for the wheel. Here is user manual, and these are the alloy pedals. And now they also provided the toolkit to help with your installation. And remember, please carry this toolkit with you when you are going for a long trip so you don't get into a trouble. Here is the bike after removing all the wrapping part, and I don't see anything bad about the bike condition. Everything is looking so good so far. Now we have to carefully install the handle, pedals and light and reflectors. Now I am installing the handle part, and this bike also have adjustable stem, so I am making adjustment to that also. Now for the installation of pedals, you have to match the R with the right pedal and L with the left pedal written on the pedals. If you don't do it right, then pedal will not get installed. Okay, so you have to be careful with that. Guys, for the left pedal you have to turn it anti-clockwise to install the pedal. For the right you have to turn it clockwise to install the pedal. Mudguards are also provided by the company, which are of okay quality, not very good. I am installing this bike by myself because I can't wait for the technician because he will take like 2 days, so I have to do the installation by myself. As you can see, this bike comes with Shimano EF500 shifters, which ensure smooth shifting for the 21 gears, and they provided a wider grip on the handlebar. This frame is 6061 alloy frame. Complete bicycle is made of mostly alloy. This bicycle has Shimano freewheel and Shimano Acera derailleur at the back and Shimano Altus at the front. Also, it has alloy pedals and a Shimano crankset. As you can see, Shimano Altus is written, and this bike also has Joom Macera lockout suspension, which is very good for this hybrid bike. When it is locked, there is no jump. That is what you need on the highway when you are speeding. This bike also has sealed prehab, so there will be no dirt inside of it. Adjustable stem, you can adjust it easily according to your height and your hands, according to your posture. For the riding comfort, this bike is also equipped with the memory foam seat. There is a small section of memory foam inside the seat. This bike also has double wall alloy rims so wheel don't get bent easily. Front and rear wheel both have this quick release feature, so you can easily remove your wheels and transport it in your car. Here is the memory foam you will only get with the premium Cadillac bikes, not with the regular ones. These are the 700C nylon tires, which are very thin and will help you when you are cruising on highway. These tires will make your ride smooth. Here is the rear view of the bicycle. Here are the product details you can see by yourself.